best state in Louisiana. You can go swimming, fishing, and more in Louisiana. There's a French Quarter in New Orleans. The Mississippi River is right next to Louisiana. In Louisiana, there's just Mardi Gras where there's tons of food. I hope I can see you there soon.
North Carolina is a great state. North Carolina is located in the southeast. The weather in North Carolina is hot in the summer and mild in the winter. In 1861, the Civil War became a problem with slavery. Also in 1712, North Carolina became a separate colony from South Carolina. One of the best landmarks is called Grandfather Mountain. The sport teams are the Panthers for the football and for the basketball, the Tar Heels. North Carolina is a blast!
Come visit Wisconsin, the cheese state. Wisconsin is located in the Midwest. If you like snowy winters and warm summers, Wisconsin is the place for you. Come visit the Great Lakes, like Lake Superior or Lake Michigan, or watch the Green Bay Packers play football. Come visit Wisconsin and see all its amazing sights.
Missouri is definitely the best state ever. Missouri is located in the Midwest. Its average temperature in the summer is 81 degrees. In the winter, it is cold. Its average temperature in the winter is 26 degrees. Missouri is a beautiful landscape. There are 3 different sport teams in Missouri, and the fishing is amazing. You can catch black sea bass, crappie, walleye, trout, paddlefish. Sure is lots of fish. There is so much history behind Missouri. The Louisiana Purchase happened there. Daniel Boone lived there. Don't forget the Gateway Arch. It's 360 feet tall. Pretty tall. I've never seen a better state. Come to us in Missouri.
Texas, the Lone Star State, Rangers, Dallas Cowboys, and a lot more. You could also go to rodeo. Texas is located in the southwest part of the USA. It is hot and there isn't a lot of rain. So if you love being warm, you'll love Texas. Go to Texas right now to see all those things.
Come to Maryland. Maryland is located in the Mid-Atlantic region. In the spring, Maryland is hot. In the winter, Maryland is mild. If you are a sports fan, come to see the Orioles and the Rays. In 1814, the British attempt to capture Baltimore. The bombardment of Fort McHenry inspired Francis Scott Key to write the words to Star Spangled Banner. One landmark is, you guessed it, the White House. Another landmark is the Mason-Dixon line. Come to Maryland, we'll be looking for you. Montana has many things to do. It is located in the western part of the United States. The climate is snowy, rainy, and hot. Montana has good fishing, too. Did you know that the Native Americans were the first people to live in Montana? If you visit Montana, don't forget to check out the Rocky Mountains and Yellowstone National Park. Visit Montana for its amazing sights.
Utah is located in the west. In some parts of Utah, it is cold, but in other parts of Utah, it is fairly hot. Also, come and learn about Mormons. If you want to know about dinosaurs, there's Dinosaur National Mountain. Come to Mississippi. Mississippi is located in the southeast. Mississippi's capital is Jackson. One of Mississippi's landmarks is the Mississippi River. Mississippi has a very rich history, like the Polio Indians and segregation. So go to Mississippi for all the fun, sunny, warm weather and football games.
Vermont is a great state. If you like skiing, Killington Ski Resort is the biggest ski resort in Vermont. Also, Vermont has great history. Do you know that there was a war in Vermont that included the French and the British? Vermont also makes really good chocolate and maple syrup. The climate in the summer is warm
and in the winter it's really, really cold. So bring some warm clothes.
New Hampshire, so much to do. In the fall, you can watch the beautiful leaves, each color slowly fall down. In the winter, you can ski down to Roses Mountain and ice skate all day. In the spring, you can watch the flowers bloom and play outside. In the summer, you can play golf in the season, which is ice cream. Also check out if you like to learn a lot, if you want to move museums. Also, if you want to what they're really called, pouring water everywhere. New Hampshire's a rich history.
West Virginia. Mountaineers are always free. West Virginia is located in the southeast region. It is cold in the winters, but you can stroll the warm mines. In the summers, it is hot and warm. You can ride a nice raft. West Virginia has it all. While visiting, don't miss out on the great Capitol at night. It looks like a big star. West Virginia is a great place for a fun vacation. Book your trip today.
New Jersey. What a great place. New Jersey is located on the East Coast and the weather is normally very nice. If you like thrilling rides, you can go to Six Flags. Or if you like hockey, you can go to Prudential Center. Also, if you like skiing, you can go to Hidden Valley. Some landmarks in New Jersey are the Statue of Liberty and Elsa. New Jersey is a great place for a vacation. Get your tickets today.
California is a great state. It is very, very hot. You can surf in California. But if you're afraid of surfing, that's okay. You could go to Disney World or see the Hollywood sign. While you're there, don't forget about the beautiful beaches. As you can see, California is a great state. So come here. We will be lucky for you. Come to Washington. Our state motto is Alki, which means hope for the future. The weather in Washington is cool and humid. It is located in the west of the United States. The Cascades are very snowy. If you like heights, come to Washington Air and Space Museum. Washington also has a lot of history. The Native Americans had all the land until British and Spanish settled in the area. Washington has a lot of landmarks. The Space Needle, Washington Historical Museum, and Cascades. Come to Washington so you can see our great attractions and structures.
Go to New York. It is a very fun place. New York City, and see the new toy store that they have there. Also, it is located northeast and it is warm, but not usually hot. And also the Twin Towers fell there in 2001, and you can learn about that history. Come to New York.
Come to the great state of North Dakota. The capital of North Dakota is Bismarck. Also, come visit Theodore Roosevelt National Park. The weather of North Dakota is hot in the summer and cold in the winter. The location of North Dakota is next to Minnesota. Hiking and biking is big here in the summer. Don't miss North Dakota and book your trip today.
Come to the amazing state of Colorado. Do you know why so many people come here? The weather. The average weather is hot in the summer and warm in the winter. Do you know the weird thing? There's tons of snow. Colorado is a great place to ski. You could do a lot of other things though, like biking, hiking, rafting, and even ice climbing. Come to Mesa Verde National Park and Dinosaur Quarry. They are both great places to visit. Hope to see you soon.
Virginia's state motto is Semper Tyrannis, which in English means thus always to tyrant. The location of Virginia is in the southeast region. In Virginia's recreation, there are a lot of water parks. One of them is Busch Gardens. George Washington was the leader of the war, and he was born there. Thomas Jefferson was also born there. Virginia is an amazing and fun state.
The Grand Canyons. Arizona is located in the west. You can go hiking, fishing, golfing, or mining. Arizona used to be part of Mexico, then the U.S. bought. Come to Arizona. Don't miss out on all the fun.
Come to Minnesota today. Though sometimes the weather is a little harsh. If you visit, don't forget to go to Fort Snelling. Oh, and by the way, if you're coming during the winter, you're not going to be needing that. It's cold. Book that trip today.
Come to New Mexico. Our motto is it grows how it goes. New Mexico is located in the southwest region of the United States, and like other southwest states, New Mexico is humid. If you like college football, then you might want to go to New Mexico State University to see a game or two. New Mexico also has great history. You can go to some of its historical parks to learn about its native people. Mexico is a great state to visit. So remember, when you go to New Mexico, go for nice walks in the desert and look for its amazing nature.
Come to the great state of South Dakota. If you want to see and do cool things, you might want to go to Badlands National Park. We're going in ATV to Missouri River. This is its license plate. And Pierre's Cabin. South Dakota also has a bit of recreation too. You should go to Sioux Falls or visit Badlands National Park, Pierre the Capital, or Rapid City.
Come to Oregon. Oregon is a beautiful state. Oregon is located in the northwestern corner of the U.S. Oregon usually has mild weather. Summers are hot. Come visit Mount Hood, where you can ski it all year. Or you can come visit one of the many national parks. Oregon has lots of history too. Lewis and Clark were one of the first to explore the Snake and the Columbia rivers. There are lots of landmarks and monuments in Oregon, like the Oregon Caves and the John Day Fossil Bed National Monument. Come to Oregon and don't miss out on all these amazing things.
Come to the amazing state of Nevada. Nevada's climate is sunny and dry and is located in the northwest region of the U.S. Go to Las Vegas and play some poker. Or go see a fake volcano erupt every day after 7 o'clock p.m. While you're there, don't forget to check out the Hoover Dam. Go there now and book that trip today.